Hello viewers, today is our last lesson. In this lesson, we will add two keys. One key from the left side in the lower row and one key from the right side in the lower row. From the left side, we will add key V. From the right side, we will add key B. See how I do this. A S Z D X F C. Now I will lift my finger from letter F, will type letter V and back my finger on letter F, space, semicolon, full stop, L O K M J N. Now I will lift my finger from letter J, will type a letter B and back my finger on J. So this is how it will be done. I'm sure this is the last lesson and it is well understood at your end. In the next lesson, we will learn to type complete ABC because after this lesson, our whole keyboard has been covered. And then thereafter, we will learn how to generate speed. See you in next lesson. Thank you.